This is not your regular beans and yam porridge. It is different and it is unique. Keep watching and you see the secret to this different, unique beans and yam porridge. Hi everyone, welcome back to Avis Kitchen. This is the beans. I have already washed it and now I am parboiling it. It is soft now. It took about 30 minutes to parboil it. So now I'm going to strain off the water and rinse out the beans. Now I have already also peeled my yam and I'm going to be slicing it into little bits. If this is your first time of tuning into this channel, you're welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give me a like by clicking on the thumbs up button and also subscribe to this channel so I can make more helpful videos like this. Shout out to my newest subscriber, Jumoke Adedoku. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. God bless you. Are you seeing this pepper soup spice? It is called urere in Urobo language. I'm very sorry for my pronunciation. I am not Urobo, but my husband is Urobo. I'm going to beat the urere and I'll remove the seeds from it. I am removing the seeds from it because in Urobo tradition, it is believed that a man should not take this pepper soup spice while the seed is in it. I am done removing the seeds now, so I'm going to discard with it because I don't need it at all. In a separate pot, I'm going to make my sauce or stew for the beans and yam porridge. So I am frying my onions in the hot oil. I'll let that fry for about 30 seconds and then I'll go ahead to add the blended tomato and pepper. And to all my old subscribers, God bless you and thank you very much for always coming back to my channel to watch my videos. If you're new here, please leave me a comment below by telling me your name and where you're from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you. After adding the pepper and the tomatoes to the hot oil, I am also going to add the seasoning. After adding the seasoning, I'll also go ahead to add dried fish and stir everything around. If you don't have dried fish, you can add crayfish. Now this is the urere. I'm going to add about 3 urere to this stew or sauce. And I promise you, your beans and yam porridge is going to have a unique taste. I promise you. I will not take all the credit. It was actually my husband who told me to make this beans and yam porridge in this way. So kudos to him. I also added the salt to this. I stirred everything around. The aroma in my kitchen at this moment. I couldn't believe that urere or this pepper soup spice could be used in beans and yam porridge. After about 3 minutes of frying this stew, it is now ready to be taken down from the heat. Now the beans has been washed and now I'm going to be adding the sliced yam to it. I'll add some water and allow this to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. The beans and yam has been cooking for about 5 minutes. Now I'll add the stew to it and see how gorgeously looking this is. I will stir everything together and cover the pot and allow this to cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of cooking the beans and yam together, I will add a little bit of salt to it. I'll also stir everything together to make sure it's not burning from underneath. I'll cover the pot and also allow it to cook for about 2 minutes more. After 2 minutes again, I will stir the beans properly. I will stir everything properly so that the porridge will properly form. You need to try this beans and yam porridge as I have done in this video because you will have a different taste to beans and yam and you will want to have it or taste it more and more. This beans and yam porridge is almost ready. Make sure that before you take the beans and yam porridge down from the fire, that it is thick enough to your own consistency. Make sure you stir it around so that the beans porridge will properly form together. Now this beans and yam porridge is ready for dishing out. It tastes very delicious and so unique. I hope you are going to also try making your beans and yam porridge this way. Hope you have learnt one or two things from this video today, and until I come your way again, remain blessed and thanks for watching. Bye.